Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share an easy and simple recipe to make a perfect wheat flour bread without using yeast and maida. This recipe no need flour, only mix ingredients and make delicious bread. So without wasting any time, let's start this recipe. Today I will make bread in microwave. So first we preheat microwave. This is my LG microwave. First put lower rack in microwave. Then we set mode, we set convection mode. After that we set degree. To set 180 degree and preheat microwave for 6 to 7 minutes. Then prepare bread tin for bread. Now take a bowl and add half cup curd, 1 tsp salt and 1 tsp sugar and 4 tablespoon oil. I use sunflower oil. You can replace oil as a butter. Mix together all ingredients properly. Then add 2 cup whole wheat flour. Then add 2 tablespoon baking powder and 1/4 tablespoon baking soda. Stir all ingredients. Then mix it well. Now little by little add 1 cup of water and mix well and prepare a soft sticky batter. Remember, use water little by little. Now batter is ready. Now take a cake tin and transfer the batter. Spread well. Now sprinkle some sesame seed on the batter. After preheat the microwave, place the bread tin into the microwave and bake bread 30 to 35 minutes. Set time 30 to 35 minutes. After 25 to 30 minutes, check the bread with the help of knife. After 35 minutes, we will check bread. Wow, bread is looks so delicious. Let's check the bread with the help of knife, and if the knife is clean, the bread is cooked. Now apply some ghee or butter on the bread. Let's cool the bread. Now take out bread in a bread tin. Wow, bread looks so delicious and soft. You can see this bread. Now your bread is ready and you can enjoy them. If you like my video, please like the video and comment, and please subscribe my channel.